Number 1. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Number 2. The way to get started is too quiet talking and being doing. Walt Disney. Number 3. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with results of the people's thinking. Steve Jobs. Number 4. If life were predictable, it will cease to be life and be without flavor. Eleanor Roosevelt. Number 5. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. Oprah Winfrey.